Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Heather Tech. So guys, today video we will talk about the auto repairs shops. So stay safe on the road, get your car repaired right. Visit our automotive repair shops in TX. Car issues can range from a little annoying to majority stressful. What if the problem is bigger than you thought? Can you trust the shop you are going to? And let's Brady automotive handle your every car issue. So whatever you are experiencing electrical problems with your truck or needing replacing parts for your car, we can handle it. We are the auto repair shop that has seen it all and has done it all. Choose a car mechanics that has served TX for years. Car today to schedule an appointment for the services you need. So not sure what's wrong with your vehicle. So dependable mechanics are here to help. Searching for early labor car mechanics can be tough. Our auto repair shop has been serving the region for many years, and we strive to make every customer experience easy. As a Christian-based businesses, we believe in serving others and being honest in our service every step of the way. You can count on us to get the job done right and at reasonable prices. Email us today to learn more about what we can do for you. For your car, and our mechanics can take on any types of car repair. No matter how well you take care of your ride, and you will eventually need repairs. We are the crew you can trust for. So car tune-up services, transmission repair services, suspensions repair services, water pump replacement services, automotive electronics repair services. If you are wondering where to get your car repaired, wonder to no more comes to the Brady Automotive for all your vehicles repair needs. We know getting your vehicles looked at can be stressful. We are a family-oriented and pet-friendly shops in order to make your life easier. So here we see about the testimonials. So here are the best mechanicians I have been to recently. Our Sam communications and great services, fast and cheaper than other places, as well as beautiful dogs too. State of the art customer services, and he has been my go-to for 15 years. Never a bad experiences, always quality work and services. So here is, I wanted to keep this at any best as my best kept secret, but try it would not be fair to Brady. Outstanding job, glad to have a go to mechanics because they are so hard to come by. So here we accept these types of payments. Here comes, let's us boom down in worship. Let us kneel before the Lord for our Maker. So 30 years of experiences. So here is contact us. So guys, here you can contact them, and So here are the locations where you contact them. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel.